What if I told you that one small bird played the role of a messenger, a symbol of wisdom, and even a guide to kings? A bird that appeared in ancient stories, myths, and literature across different civilizations. This bird is the hoopoe. Today, we explore the fascinating history of the hoopoe and how a tiny creature earned a legendary status throughout human history. The hoopoe is instantly recognizable. Its orange-brown feathers, black and white wings, and elegant crest make it stand out among other birds. But what truly fascinated ancient people was not its appearance alone. It was the hoopoe's behavior. This bird is known for careful observation, long-distance movement, and surprising intelligence when searching for food. Unlike many birds, the hoopoe often walks slowly on the ground, examining every detail before acting. To early civilizations, this behavior suggested thoughtfulness and awareness. People began to see the hoopoe not as an ordinary bird, but as a creature that knows more than it shows. Hoopoe in ancient Egypt. In ancient Egypt, birds held deep symbolic meaning, and the hoopoe was no exception. It appeared in some artistic representations connected to family bonds, protection, and harmony. Egyptians admired animals that showed loyalty and balance in nature. The hoopoe, known for caring strongly for its nest and young, fit this image perfectly. To them, the hoopoe represented order within nature, a reminder that even small creatures play essential roles in the world. Persian culture and the wise guide. One of the most influential portrayals of the hoopoe comes from Persian literature. Here, the hoopoe is not just a bird. It is a leader and guide. In classical stories, it appears as the wisest among birds, chosen not for strength or size, but for experience and understanding. The hoopoe guides others through uncertainty, teaching that leadership comes from knowledge, not force. This portrayal shaped how the hoopoe was viewed across centuries, as a symbol of wisdom earned through journeys and observation. Greek myths and transformation. In Greek mythology, the hoopoe took on a darker, more mysterious role. Some myths describe humans transformed into hoopoes as punishment or escape. These stories gave the bird a reputation connected to change consequences and hidden truths. Unlike heroic animals, the hoopoe represented transformation, the idea that actions always lead to outcomes. This added another layer to its symbolic identity across cultures. Folklore, superstition, and respect over time, people developed strong beliefs about the hoopoe. In many regions, killing it was considered bad luck. Seeing it was believed to signal change. Some thought it could locate water beneath the ground. Others feared it, associating it with secrets or unseen knowledge. Whether admired or feared, the hoopoe was never ignored. Its presence always meant something. Why the hoopoe still matters. Today, even today, the hoopoe continues to capture attention. Scientists study its behavior. Artists admire its beauty. And cultures remember its symbolic past. The hoopoe reminds us that history is not shaped only by kings and warriors, but also by small creatures that inspired thought, stories, and meaning.